Welcome to Corel VideoStudio Pro X2 tutorials. Now let's talk a little bit about adding title to your videos. To add title, you go right here on that title thing and click. And assuming we want to add a title on that particular clip which is showing on the screen here, that's all you need to do. It says double click here to add title, so double click. Now you have a choice of different kinds of fonts and colors and line spacing and all that. Okay, I have chosen, for example, Arial Black. It was chosen already. The size is 48. Color is white. You can change it to any color you like. Let's say blue or whatever. I'll keep it white. White is good. Now I have to double click here to begin typing, and let's say we type something like my video. Now you have the choice of bringing that title to anywhere in the screen, and the controls are on the right side. Let me see if you can. No, you cannot see. Let me first adjust it. Okay. There is the adjustment where you want to bring that title. So click in the center, that goes in the center of the screen. If you click here, that goes to the upper left. Here is upper right, here is upper middle, etc., etc. You can bring it anywhere you like. Let's keep it there. Now the next is if you want to add any animation to the title. A lot of people want to do that. Did you see what I did? It was on edit. Now I click on animation. And when that animation thing opens up, just put a check mark in animation. And a lot of animation options will be presented to you. You click on this that arrow thing and say, let's see, choose drop. It was chosen already. Let's choose fade and let's swing, and all those different kinds of things will start happening, and each one can be modified. Let's say, which one is good? Let's say pop up. Maybe that's good. Let's just say we select this. Okay, this one, it is already highlighted. If you add any attributes to it, click on this double T thing and it will tell you how to animate it in different ways. Do you want the unit whole text to be animated, or you want each character to be animated, or you want a word to be animated? If you want the line to be animated, let's say whole text. And here pause or no pause, short pause, or you want long pause, whatever. We'll say no pause and click OK. Alright, let's now try to play this thing. To play, you go back to say edit and click on play. See, the animation is showing up there. I don't like that, but anyway, this is just an example. That's how you add an animation to your title. And if you look to the timeline, you will notice that your animation that said my video, that just appeared on the title track. This is the title track, and that's where your animation or the title has been added. Now I have just shown you how to add animation to a particular video clip. You can choose any video clip and then click on title and then double click here and you can add the animation. Okay, but let's say you do not want to add title. You do not want to add title to the video clip, you want a blank piece or a blank screen or white or black or red or whatever, or you want a fancy picture and you want to do that, I'll show you how to do that. You see this arrow here that says video, you go to images and lot of preset images will be presented to you and you choose anything. If you have seen my videos, you will see I always this image to say Shobhan Sen Productions present, but you can choose a different one. Here I have to tell you another very important thing that often happens. Let me just make sure you can see whatever I'm trying to tell you now. Hold on. Okay, I'll sidetrack a little bit here because I just remembered one important thing. I actually suffered until the time when I did not know this thing. So since I remembered, I'll tell it to you right now. I'm interrupting that adding title thing. Let's say you have finished your video and you have put an end scene there that says the end or something. Usually people choose a color like that, any color, and add it at the end. Let's say we are choosing the black thing and putting at the end of the video. Can you see? There. I just added this thing there and I want to say the end on that. So let's go back to the screen where you can see. Okay, and I want to add the words the end to that, so click on title and it says double click here, so you double click and just write the end, and just put it in the center to make things simple. And it is a good idea to also add a little animation to this kind of thing. So I prefer it that way. So I'll add some animation here, like fly maybe. I'll do fade out. Okay, and let's play this thing. Can you see? It said the end and it has faded out. Now let's say we have completed our video and the end scene was the last scene, and let's see what is the time. You click on project, that's the project, and can you see project? There, project, and the duration is 2 minutes 0.12 seconds. Let's say 2 minutes, and that's wonderful. And let me go to the timeline thing and I'll try to show you something here. End of the video I want to reach. See the timeline? You cannot see. Now you can see. See this black clip and the end thing has ended here. This straight line, this is all correct. Now, after doing that, you suddenly decided that you want to put a clip right at the beginning of the video, like I write Shobhan Sen Productions Presents. So that's where I got stuck sometimes. I made the mistake I did not know, and that's what I'm trying to tell you right now. Let's first use that new clip now, and I'll show you what happens. 1 second.